Are you aware of the full legal and financial consequences associated with a DUI conviction in the state of New Jersey? It exposes you to jail time, license suspension, interlock device requirements, and thousands of dollars in fines and penalties. Now, over the next few minutes, I'm going to explain what the financial costs are associated with the conviction of DUI and why it is absolutely critical to make an informed decision on how you proceed with these charges moving forward. Hi, I'm Daniel M. Rosenberg. I'm a DUI and criminal defense attorney at Rosenberg, Perry & Associates. These are just the fines and penalties associated with the conviction, and I'm going to talk to you about a first offense conviction. And by the way, the fines and penalties go up for a second and third offense. But on a first offense conviction, this is what you're looking at in terms of fines and penalties from the court. The first is a fine of between $250 and $400, a DWI surcharge of $125, a DDEF surcharge of $100, court assessments of $6, court costs of $33, a Safe Neighborhood Assessment Fund penalty of $75, and a $50 Violent Crimes Compensation Office penalty. So your total financial penalties range between $639 and $789 on a first offense DUI. On top of that, you're also going to have the fines and penalties associated with the Intoxicated Drivers Resource Center, which is approximately $250. So in just court-related costs and the Intoxicated Drivers Resource Center, you're looking at a first offense total cost of between $889 to $1,039. So those are financial consequences that you're going to be expected to pay in court. But once you leave court, the financial consequences will continue. The next thing you need to be aware of are motor vehicle surcharges. And that's because you're going to be assessed a $1,000 per year surcharge for the next 3 years. So that's an additional $3,000 that you'll need to pay to the Motor Vehicle Commission. Once your license suspension or interlock device requirement term is eliminated or ends, you will then have a $100 restoration assessment. So it's another $100 just to get your license back. Beyond the Motor Vehicle Commission, you're also going to have the ignition interlock installation and maintenance fees. It's going to cost somewhere in the neighborhood of $150 to have this device installed on your vehicle, and then another $100 to $150 a month to maintain that device on your vehicle. Aside from that, your insurance premiums are likely going to be significantly increased as a result of a conviction. The financial consequences will also likely bleed into employment for most individuals. You may not be able to maintain your employment if you can't operate a motor vehicle or you need to put an interlock device on your car. Or if you are applying for a job, you are going to be viewed negatively if you have a prior conviction or have an interlock device in your car. So this can significantly affect your income now and in the future. So in addition to all of that, there's going to be a cost associated with legal representation. Now, if you're not in a position to hire a private attorney and you're going to apply for the public defender, there's a cost associated with that. It's typically a $200 fee. And if you're hiring a private attorney, you generally get what you pay for. Now, this video is focused on informing you of what the financial consequences are associated with the DUI, but make no mistake, this is just part of the consequence. There's also significant legal consequences, including jail time, loss of license, and an interlock device requirement. So if you or someone you know has questions about DUIs in the state of New Jersey, please contact our office. We're happy to help in any way we can. We'll take the time we need to discuss your case, assess the situation, and give you blunt and candid advice, and help you get on the path to put this behind you. We are criminal trial attorneys. We have your back. That's what we do.